Hello boys and girls, welcome back with additional in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 7th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. The 1-star Sudoku, well, it seems this one is a 2 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku, it seems also this one is also the 2 stars. Anyway, we have 2 puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Here, binary puzzle. I will continue, and this will be a number 6557. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, there's 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. All right. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here in the third column. So the rest are O's. This is an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there. Oh, yeah. Wait, we already have a 4. We already have 4 1s here. So these two should be an O. Yeah, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Yes. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.